What's going on, guys? Trader Bryce here. If you can't tell, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather right now, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I apologize to you guys that were in my study trade team webinar on Wednesday. It was a quick one. I was really not feeling good on Wednesday, but I'm here to deliver. As you might expect, I've just been resting up a bit. You can tell I'm nice and all bundled up here, but unfortunately, I did not. And not that I did miss a couple really nice movers today, but I just wanted to rest up. My head was pounding, So anyhow, I'm going to dig into the charts here. This is going to be a shorter recap. Same thing though. Just I'm trying to rest up a bit. So let's switch on over to the charts here. MEGL is a funny one. It's an IPO today, so I'm a little confused by the math. Because Seeking Alpha put out a thing like pops 3,000% in market debut, but the opening price I see here is $49 and it hit a high of 235. So I guess I don't really know where the 5,000% came or the 3,000% came from, but sure. Obviously, like literally no volume, like none. It just opened, unhalted, opened, halted, opened, halted, opened. You get it. Now, I do want to show you STAF. This is one I'm a little upset that I missed this morning, if I'm being honest. So, had some nice movement yesterday. And then this morning, we had a really nice pop in here. And then this consolidation in this area was just free money. That was a free money little long in there. Especially this consolidation right here. That was a beautiful spot. Very low risk. And obviously very high reward. What I like to look for, especially like in this market right now, is this low consolidation with a test of potential test of pre-market highs, which, I mean, that risk reward was, 10 cents for $1. I mean, beautiful risk reward in this market right now. TRRI was an OTC that ran pretty crazy today. I had a nice little gap up and then subsequent run. So let's go on like a chart intraday here. Very tough one. For me, there was never really a great entry here. Maybe on this little bit of consolidation after opening, holding that gap, or maybe here. But at this point, I would have felt it to be too extended. This was a tough one, but crazy mover nonetheless. I mean, it gapped up. It's up 700% right now. It gapped up from, what was it trading at yesterday? Is this like a, I don't even know. So I know it's an OTC, but apparently it was trading at like 15 cents yesterday. Obviously like no volume before. Today's volume is still very low. It's only, this is slightly off. It's a little over 1 million. Very tough to trade when the volume is that low on an OTC stock. It's just really difficult, but it can be done. And there's great, percent gains to be made off of it. IONM, really crazy pre-market action, just total pump and dump though. You had that really light morning pop, and clearly they've just been unloading shares. This might be one to watch for a pop in the coming days, after next week, but I wish I had seen this yesterday too. This is like key for what I like to look for an after hours / next day run. This perk right into close on relatively low volume, holds up in after hours. I just didn't even see this, but really nice look to it there. Now, QNRX, pretty wild, because yesterday, obviously this hit $22, or the day before hit 28. Spiked up here. So this was a pretty crazy one. The fact that it's just, that offering just completely crushed it, right? A complete demolition. It went from 28 down to $4. And it's kind of crazy because they only raised $16 million. Now that said, guys, remember it is a micro float here. This is a float of 100 or 802,000. Man. Oh, that's a wild one. I'm still not over that action from Wednesday, but really beautiful, and then just crushed today. Since it had an offering, I'd be a little wary on this one in terms of, you know, actually looking for a bounce on it unless we break under this 350 low and kind of create a form of exhaustion where maybe we get a bounce up to 5 to 10. That's how I'd be looking for that. LTRPB, would not be surprised to see a first green day on this at some point, down, you know, a little over 50% from highs. But as I talked about on Monday, my broker is like, nah, you can't buy this. My phone, oh my God, my phone needs to shut up. Oh, sorry. That was really mean. My head is pounding. So it's same thing with QRTEB. I think we see a first green day on this pretty soon. Another first green day, but I can't trade it, so it doesn't really matter. SIGA, absolutely gnarly trap on this day. I mean, totally disgusting. All the way from 23 down to 13 in the same day, now breaking out. This thing probably goes to 40 at this point, if I'm being completely honest with you. I don't see how it doesn't. We've also got today right now, so it's a bit early. The day hasn't ended, but I need to go take a nap. CPS has been doing nothing all day. Wouldn't be surprised to see this one rip through close, breaking out over that $10 area. Wouldn't be shocked, but again, we'll see here. This one's a blast from the past. Very low volume right now, but since I'm doing this early, I can kind of show you my extremely low volume here going into close. We're getting that pop into close. Would be very interesting if this becomes an after-hours runner itself. This is an old education runner, getting that perk up. It's been a really good runner before in this area down back here. And I obviously had that big dump after, but it was a nice mover, you know, basically a multi-day run from 4 to 10. Now we're in this market right now where everything just wants to go completely okay, someone's calling me now too. I can't do it, guys. Wouldn't be surprised, given the current market condition, if this can get some more news coverage. We get a spike up. Potentially a pretty gnarly spike. Who knows? Who knows? Now, my favorite watch for next week is that of VRAX. Let me go. Oops. Here we go. This multi-day consolidation on VRAX is just gorgeous. So let me turn off that extended hours. A breakout through 12, I would love to see. Again, just given the current market momentum, it could break out over 29 for all I know. Very low float, former runner. And the majority of the volume coming in down here signals to me this reminds me very much of BGGX or BGXX, where the bounce just kept bouncing a lot longer than anyone really expected. Because again, people right now, let's say you're shorting into this pop, the highest volume candle, let's say out of, you know, from dumb luck, that's where you're short from. It's still pretty close. Like, you never really had a great chance to cover. You know, you're maybe shorting up in the 12s or 13s. It's hanging out at 11. So if we break out over through this triangle here and then break out over 14, I'd love to see what can happen. Very low float, biotech, sketchy, holding up for a few days here. VRAX is my top watch into the coming days here. So that's like, again, personally what I'm looking for there is that breakout and then, you know, potential movement for higher, ideally a breakout of some sort. Sorry, my brain is just jumbled right now. See if I can switch this. Nice. Oh, maybe. I switched my camera view because my other camera died. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. Just lay down. Not feeling hot. So hopefully it's nothing serious, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you back next week on Monday, assuming I'm feeling good and everything. So see you back there then. Make sure to hit the like button like that. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Hit the like button. Drop a comment down below. And make sure you subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. You guys know the drill. Hopefully you're trading well during this hot market. It's a great opportunity. So guys, I'll catch you later. Bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of the StocksTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 150,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without you guys. So if you like what we're doing here and you want to hear more, please, please, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.